Hey friends, we're having a calculator repaired today, the name you see now. They said it stopped working, so let's take it apart and see what's wrong. So, friends, I see a battery on the right and I think that's the problem. Let's take it out. Be sure to remember the polarity of the battery. This is an LR44 battery. I think I have one of those. I'll check now. Yes. I have the exact same battery. Let's put it in. As you can see, the calculator works. Now you need to tighten 2 screws. It's done, friends. This wasn't a repair, but a battery replacement. I hope the video was helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel so you don't miss new videos. Bye!